Come here. There's Mommy. Take a look at the lights here.
Aren't they pretty? Do that water.
Oh
that
yeah,
is so pretty.
yeah, that is cool.
You want to see if Santa came?
Did Santa come, Tanner?
Yeah.
You think so?
No. Here.
Let's see. Wow,
Where?
look it.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I think that's Tanner's pile.
Oh my
I see
goodness.
something over here.
Whoa, what is it?
Oh, a birdie.
Whoa.
A little birdie.
Oh, did Santa bring that for you?
Yeah. Open it.
Yeah.
Where did he get you?
Look at our house. The bicycle.
Oh, bicycle.
Bicycle?
Pop, pop.
What else did he get?
Yep. Yeah.
A bicycle lollipop. You want to open some of your other stuff so we can see?
Right.
What did you get? Oh, cool.
Nice. Wait, did he eat his cookies?
Like mine.
Yeah, we should go check and see if he ate his cookies.
Did he eat his cookies?
Go look and see.
Who ate that?
Wow, he ate it.
He ate all the cookies.
Santa ate all the cookies.
And look at my bite. It Santa Claus here. Look at that Santa Claus.
Yeah.
My bicycle too. Yeah.
What else is in there?
Oh, look.
Can I have some?
Some chocolates.
More chocolate.
Can I have some chocolate, Tanner?
No. Look at
A lollipop.
Yeah, my lollipop. Oh,
Some gummies.
Ooh,
gummies.
gummies.
Gummies. I love gummies. Oh!
A game.
I have this. No, I got 3 of them.
Yay.
Nice.
More lip gloss.
More presents.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tanner, that box is from Grandma.
How about that?
Yep, that's from Grandma.
How about to open it?
Yeah, you can.
What's this? Oh, look at that.
Wow.
I think you're supposed to paint the horses. You're supposed to paint.
Oh.
You're supposed to paint the horses.
Oh, paint the horses? Push the button. What is it?
Oh my goodness. What's in there?
I don't know.
Mom? Oh!
What is it?
Look at this.
Wow.
Twinkling.
Ooh.
Twinkling.
Mm-hmm.
Twinkling blue.
I like this rose.
Yeah.
Twinkling blue.
It's
Yeah, open another, Tanner.
Look so.
Oh my goodness.
Ooh, you got some soap. Very nice.
Mommy, look. Look at
Oh, Oh, some candy. Grandma loves those drink candies. You love those.
What's that?